Understanding bridge grafting, a key concept in botany and gardening. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and important concept in botany and gardening: bridge grafting. This technique is crucial for the health and survival of trees, especially when they are damaged. Let's explore what bridge grafting is, how it works, and why it's important. Get ready to expand your English vocabulary and knowledge in the world of plants. Bridge grafting is a horticultural technique used to save a damaged tree. It's often employed when the trunk of a tree is wounded, creating a gap in the bark that interrupts the flow of nutrients. Bridge grafting involves connecting the upper and lower parts of the tree's vascular system by grafting new shoots or branches. This bridge allows the tree to bypass the damaged area, ensuring that nutrients and water can continue to flow, keeping the tree alive. To perform bridge grafting, healthy twigs or branches, known as scions, are collected from the same tree or a similar species. The scions are then carefully inserted into cuts made above and below the damaged area of the trunk. These grafts are secured and sealed to protect them from the elements and pests. Over time, the scions grow and form a natural bridge, reconnecting the severed parts of the tree's vascular system. Bridge grafting is crucial for the survival of damaged trees. It not only helps in restoring the health of the tree but also prevents the spread of disease and decay that can occur due to the injury. This technique is particularly important in orchards and botanical gardens, where preserving mature, valuable trees is essential. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the concept of bridge grafting. Remember, this technique is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature, and it's a fantastic example of how humans can assist plants in their survival. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!